Indian Culinary Forum brings forward another day of learning, another event, another session with the Zero-Waste Kitchen. And we have with us Chef Amit Wadhawan, the founder director of Supernatural Society. What are you doing today, Chef?
So today, lovely theme we have, sustainable and zero-waste kitchen. So banana comes to my mind, the first thing which is foundly used in, especially southern part of India, right from your stem to flower to the fruit what we enjoy as a ripe and a raw form. So we are doing 3 recipes using a stem. I'm doing a porial, I'm doing a banana flour cutlet, and we will do a pulisheri, which is a beautiful Onam Sadhya dish. And I'm using both ripe and raw banana, which gives a nice contrast of flavor and texture.
I'm so looking forward to the recipe, Chef.
Thank you. Today, I'm working with recipes from banana, using the different parts of banana tree. So, as a prep, we have prepared raw banana. First of all, I have boiled it in salted water and I have removed the skin. This is a skin which is not edible in this recipe, but skin can be used for other recipes, like it could be used for chutneys. So I have peeled because I am not using the skin of raw banana. So this is boiled and kept aside. The stem, what we have done is, this is the stem. Now I have diced it into small pieces and then I have boiled it with some turmeric and salt. It takes about 15 to 20 minutes, and try to make a smaller size so that it cooks faster. We're going to make a porial out of this. This is a tiny little banana. These are from the flour. We've removed that, and then we have done a preparation in which we have removed the outer skin, which is black. Now this is the peel of banana, when it grows. So we've removed that. We're not going to use this because it's black. And there is, when you peel it, there is a small, very sharp inner core which we have to remove. So that is not edible. It is not edible. We cannot digest it. So we have removed that. And what we actually get is a small little banana flour. So we'll start with boiling of banana flour, which we have already prepped. So I'm just taking some water. Adding some salt to it. Obviously, when you boil something, you add a little bit of salt. Just a little bit of turmeric. I'm going to add some curry leaves. And this is the lovely banana flour which we have already prepared. Remove the outer skin, and we have removed the inner sharp core, which is not digestible. So it is advisable that you remove that, otherwise it just creates problems in your gut. But rest of the part is very high in fiber. So this has to be cooked just for a couple of minutes because the flour is very, very tender. This will cook very quickly, and then we'll boil it, and then we're gonna cool it down, and then we're gonna make a paste out of this using some other ingredients which I'll show you a little later. So our next recipe is banana pulisheri. Just take a pan, a saucepan, add a little bit of coconut oil, cold press, beautiful coconut oil, add a little bit of mustard seeds, let them crackle, and meanwhile we can add some red chili as well so that we get a nice smoky flavor. The red chili should be burnt a little bit. Now this is crackling. This is important because so we slow it down, add some curry leaves. Some fenugreek, again, great for digestion, great for our system. Add some chopped shallots. Now we'll let it cook for a couple of minutes so that the shallots are translucent. At this stage, I'm going to add some garlic. Sliced garlic. If you want to keep it whole, it's up to you. You want to thinly slice it or chop it, it's up to your taste. It's a very home style curry, packed with flavors. Also going to use a little bit of coconut. First of all, a little bit of coconut in the mixture so that it gives a little flavor. Coconut will release its oil, so we want that bit of a flavor. And then rest of the coconut, I'm going to make a paste. We will peel our ripe banana, slice it also. Now here I have a raw banana which I have already peeled. I'm going to slice it also and just keep it aside. But again, you can always vary the proportion as per your taste, because the more you put the ripe banana, the sweeter will be the curry. The pulisheri is actually a little bit of tangy sweet. So we've made a wonderful paste with coconut, green chili, a little bit of garlic and curry leaves. Now the yogurt mix, which we have already done earlier, we are going to add in this curry. Otherwise the yogurt will split. So you have to add the yogurt. Yogurt will also give the sourness to the gravy, and it will create a balance, and keep moving it continuously. Now you can increase the flame slowly, get a first boil. Now the moment you start getting a small little boil, we're gonna add the coconut paste, which will give a flavor and it will give the body. I'm gonna add the coconut paste to it. Now this could be as per the taste. I'm just attending the curry so that it doesn't split. So that's the beautiful base of pulisheri. This will take a couple of minutes to cook. Now we can add our raw banana, which is boiled earlier, to the beautiful curry which we have created. So as I said, only raw banana right now. Ripe banana, if we add now, the ripe banana will get mushy. So ripe banana will go only towards the end. So now since the raw banana is already cooked, we don't have to cook it too much. Just a couple of stirs here and there. Add bit of curry leaves on top. We will adjust the seasoning, add bit of a salt. Now at this stage, while our curry is almost done, we're just gonna add some ripe banana. So that gives a beautiful sweet notes. And our first dish, which is raw and ripe banana pulisheri, is ready to go. I'm going to finish it off with coconut oil, and the curry is ready. This garnish is beautiful curry leaves. You can fry these as well, and maybe some smoked chili, which can be kept. And as I said, I like a little bit of coconut oil, which gives an added flavor to the dish. So we're going to make a banana stem poriel, and for that I need a pan. We add our coconut oil, cold pressed beautiful coconut. I'm going to smoke some red chili. I'm going to add some curry leaves, and I'm going to add some sliced shallot. Saute it well. At this stage, we need to add a bit of a salt so that the onions leave their moisture. Green chili for the heat. So once that's sauteed, I'm going to add some coconut grated for additional flavor. Now let's add our already prepared stem. So as you know, the poriel is a dry preparation, so we're going to remove all the moisture. You can still see some fibers. Don't overcook it, just kind of stir fry. And at this stage, when it's almost done, we're going to add some beautiful grated coconut as a garnish. Toss it well, and our dish is ready. That's our banana stem poriel. So this is a beautiful dish. It's so colorful, and we just do a small little serving of that on the banana flower outer leaves. Of course, I'm gonna just put some chili as a garnish. As a garnish, maybe some desiccated fresh coconut on top, so that the dish looks beautiful. So this is a second dish, beautiful banana stem poriel. So earlier we had prepared our banana flour, and then we boiled it with a little bit of turmeric and salt to make a small cakes like this. Now, to bind the cakes, if the binding is not enough, you can always add a little bit of ripe banana or a raw banana. So to shallow fry, we're going to use some cold pressed coconut oil. Heat up the pan well. All the ingredients in these cakes, banana flour cakes, are already cooked, so we just have to get a little crispiness and some color. Now, to give added flavor, I'm going to add some curry leaves and maybe a couple of chili. We just get a little bit of browning on each side. So let's turn one and see. And that's our dish, which is ready. Now I'm going to garnish it. Serve my beautiful cakes on the outer stem. Add some coconut, which is stir fried, and put it on top as a garnish, which gives a beautiful texture. Also have another product, a podi powder. Now this is from a brand called Sankalp, which could be used as a garnish. Here are the beautiful dishes. What we've done with banana flour, we made some cutlets, and we have served with nice accompaniments. I've got a raw banana and dry banana pulisheri. It's a tangy, beautiful dish with which is made with coconut, and I've got a banana stem poriel, of course made with coconut. I loved and enjoyed making these dishes, and I'm sure you will enjoy too, watching them and making them at home. Thank you.